Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on using the free online image to PDF converter. In this video, I'll show you how to upload your images, rotate them if needed, customize the page size, choose a background color, and generate a high-quality PDF, all for free, directly in your browser. First, click the Upload Images button. You can select a single image or try uploading multiple images at once. Supported formats include JPG, PNG, WebP, BMP, and TIFF. Each image must be under 5 MB to ensure smooth processing. Once your images are uploaded, they appear in the scrollable preview area. You can rotate any image individually using the All buttons. Need to change the page order? Just drag any image to rearrange it, no extra steps needed. Once your images are uploaded, you can drag and drop them to set the exact page order before converting. Next, choose your PDF page size from the drop-down. Options include standard sizes like A4, letter, and more. This determines the final layout of your PDF pages. You can also select a background color for your PDF. This is very important for PNG or WebP images with transparency. By default, the background is white, but you can pick any RGB color using the color picker. After conversion is complete, your PDF is ready to download. Edit file name and click the Save button, or it will automatically save as freeapptools.co images to pdf.pdf. And this is exactly what your final PDF will look like once downloaded. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Nested Labs for more essential web developer tools. See you in the next one.